Hey guys, so welcome back to this another awesome video. So what I'm going to be showing you today is your games are not working. For instance, like on the Xbox app, you're going to click play, but the app is going to say this app can't open. Ground can't open because it is fucking offline. The storage device might be missing or disconnected. Well, that sounds like a you problem. Before you go and install your whole life, throw your PC through the window and do lots of terrible things, very terrible things. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Microsoft Store. And then you'll see downloads and uploads. You'll see, wait for it. And then you're going to click on yeah. Then it's going to say pending. Then what you want to do, this is the goddamn thing. You're going to go, yeah. And then you're going to press download. So sometimes it's really quite small, and you'll see that will do the fix for most of your games. You'll have it in the Microsoft Store right here, and you'll see it starts downloading. Sometimes if you press canceling the installation, this will be the goddamn problem, so it sometimes won't work on the Xbox app, unfortunately, but hopefully this will do the fix. As you can see, it is downloading now. The mistake is because you cancel the installation and then afterwards it causes a problem. So that would be the fix for some of the games, or most of it, to almost all the games. You'll see some of the stuff that pops up here. State of Decay did that as well, so I'll have to download it, but I did the other one just to show you. Hope you guys did like this video, and if you do, please sub. I'm trying to reach 200 subs, so I really appreciate it. Thanks so much, guys.